Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by combining interest and dollar signs. Pick 10-20 niche ideas you understand or can learn fast. Next, validate demand with keyword volumes and community activity. Once done, eliminate topics with weak search or zero engagement. Make sure to check affiliate payouts now, target programs with average orders above $30 or recurring commissions. This first action block saves time later because choosing a niche with both genuine curiosity and proven spending behavior dramatically increases your odds of profitable scaling. Once you have validated demand, you shift to competitive research and content strategy. You list top competitors and analyze what ranks, where their content falls short, and which keywords they ignore. Then, target those gaps with tutorials, comparison posts, and long-tail guides. Simultaneously, create a 90-day calendar that mixes high-intent reviews with evergreen how-to-content and paid promotion windows. Make sure to include conversion-focused pages and email capture from day one, because traffic without a conversion plan wastes effort. You finish by launching your cornerstone content and measuring real performance. Track clicks, conversion rate, and cost per click if running ads. Once live, iterate fast, /B test calls to action, affiliate placements, and headlines over 2 to 4 weeks to find what converts. When something wins, scale it with paid traffic, influencer outreach, and cross-boasting. If results are poor, troubleshoot. Check intent mismatch, poor offer fit, or weak copy. Adjust content angle, or promote a different affiliate product, and retest quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.